Okay, good morning guys. So, welcome once again to our channel Job Opportunity Worldwide.
Perfect!
So, na-skip natin yung pag-unbox sa converter natin. Ito na yun. So, we already installed it. Mabilis lang siya guys i-install at very easy lang siya. So, the main purpose of this converter is to split our video and our audio. So, normally if you're using an HDMI going to our TV, we are getting the video and the sound from our TV, but it's very good if we have this HDMI cord connected from our laptop all the way to our converter, and from our converter there's an HDMI out. We're using the 4K na binili natin na HDMI cord, so connected na siya ngayon sa TV natin. Yan. So our converter is also powered by a USB cable wire. So connected na siya, and then the coaxial wire for the audio, the blue and the red, is connected to our LG player 5.1 home theater. This one guys, I think nabili natin around 2014 pa siya. So mga more or less mga ano na siya, mga 6 years. So 6 years na siya guys, but still working. So later I will show you guys a sample ng karaoke namin just for you to hear. So maganda siya guys if you want to really listen to a good sound, just not rather than just watching from your TV. Especially if you're watching a movie, mas maganda if yung sound mo is malakas, diba? So yan, as you can see guys, it's raining outside, so it's a rainy afternoon. So once again guys, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you are following us and you are supporting us. Thank you so much in advance, and don't forget to subscribe guys para ma-update kayo sa next video upload natin. Okay, so thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Sky, cause you're a sky full of stars. Cause you light up the path. I don't care, don't wanna tear me apart. I don't care if you do. It's in the sky, full of stars. I think it's you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. You get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care who won't tear me apart. I don't care if you do. It's in the sky, full of stars. I think I see you. I think I see you. sky.